Hi, it's Anna, and welcome to today's news. English playwright Arthur Wing Pinero said, "Where there is tea, there is hope." Similarly, a Chinese saying goes that firewood, rice, cooking, oil, salt, sauce, vinegar, and tea are the 7 necessities to begin a day. Tea is, without doubt, welcomed all over the world. According to Statista, a German online portal for statistics, global tea production reached approximately 5.8 million tons in 2018. It has become the most consumed beverage in the world, after water, of course. In order to celebrate the popular drink, the United Nations General Assembly has designated the 21st of May as International Tea Day. According to the United Nations, tea is much more than just a hot drink. It's a big part of many cultures around the world. You probably know that people in China use top-grade tea to show respect when receiving important guests. Meanwhile, the British tradition of afternoon tea is an important part of that country's identity. Making Malaysia's pool tea has become a sort of art form where drinkers take pride in its entertainment aspects. As an expression of Moroccan hospitality and tradition, mint tea, a mix of green tea, spearmint leaves, and sugar, is served during gatherings and negotiations. Apart from its cultural significance, tea is also a medicine used from ancient times to modern day. Tea is cold and lowers the fire. Chinese Ming Dynasty herbalist Li Shijian once said, "The health benefits of tea are still being discovered today. Preventing heart disease, obesity, and cancer have all been linked to drinking green tea, according to the National Center for Biotechnology Information in the United States. The mania for healthy tea products continues into a new decade as it's used in moisturizers, lip balms, and other beauty products. Hot or cold, bagged or loose leaf, tea is more than a drink. It's a social custom and also a magic medicine, a link to the past and a way of life."